Welcome back to OG's Garage. Today we're going to be working on this '05 Hyundai Santa Fe. We're going to be working on a mass airflow sensor and going to replace that out. So let's get started. Okay, your mass airflow filter is right here between your throttle body and your air filter. Okay, so it's right here. What we're going to do is we're going to start removing these clamps that are holding this thing in here, and right here at the bottom we're going to go ahead and remove this air filter. You have 4 clamps. There's one back in here too. There's one down here, and there's one in the back. So those are the 4 things, and we're going to be removing this by just taking those clips off, and we're going to remove this whole unit here. So to remove the cord, there's a tab right here on the top. Push the tab down and then just kind of wiggle that out of there. It might be a little stiff, but there you go. What I'm going to do is remove these bands. And remove this cover. Just 4 clips. One on this side, one here, one right in the back here, and then one by the battery. You could just pick that up and it should come right off your mass airflow, right like that. There you go. And then on the other side, that just slides off of there and then it's out. Okay? There you have it. Then replace them the same way. That in there. Make sure it's all the way on there. Same thing with the other side. Yeah, put your band back on here. Want it pretty snug, but don't bust your belt. Just tightening it up, over tightening it. And just do the same thing with the other side. Once you finish tightening those up, you're pretty much set. Put your harness back in there, make sure it snaps in there and it's all the way in. Okay, that's pretty much it. Got everything snugged away. Put your clips back on your air breather. Your filter holder here. Pretty much it. There you go, everything. Double check all your fittings, all your clamps. You're pretty well set. Well, thanks for watching OG's Garage today on this mass airflow sensor, and hope it helped you out a little bit. Catch you soon.